We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
A construction document consists of several types like drawings, schedules, reports. In Revit, these type of documents are generated under Sheet option. So let us move to the video to see the sheets in Revit. For that, let us open a project. Go to View tab. Under Sheet Composition panel, you can see the sheet icon. Or else, you can right click on the sheets in project browser to create a new sheet. Now a dialog box is opened. Here we can load different paper size like A0, A1, A2, etc. Now the sheet is opened with default title block made by Autodesk. It have revision table, project details like project name, project number, drawn by, etc. How to fill the revision table is already discussed about our previous video. Project details can be entered by click on it. Next, select the view you want to set in the sheet. View scale for this view can be adjusted in property box. You can drag and place the view into sheets as like this. You can turn on or off this view name and scale in property box. Similarly, you can place other views, sections, legends, schedules, as per your requirements by dragging into the corresponding sheets. Thanks for watching this video.